Hello, all my JavaScript friends. This is the Virtuoid, aka Mike Smith, and this is our snake game. This is actually an addendum to the snake video that just got released. I am in the process at this point of actually creating the game, and one of the things that you always have to understand when you're designing these things is that you have your ideas for the design of how it's going to work at the very beginning. For instance, here's our snake design that we came up with at the very beginning. But once you start implementing the game, you find out it doesn't quite work out that way. And so what I found out is that whenever you hit a prize, the idea is that you get your points, but you move the snake, but you also grow the snake. And I found that I couldn't get any good combination of move and grow to work at the exact same time. I just couldn't do it. It just wouldn't work. So I had to create a new method here called move and grow to be able to combine the two together. Once I did this, everything started working like a champ, and we had absolutely no problems whatsoever. So I just wanted to give you a little addendum on the snake video, and we will get to our other videos here shortly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to view more videos. Click on the like button on this video and visit us at virtuoid.com. Also, support us on Patreon, where you can get access to member-only videos. Links are down below. Again, thank you very much for watching, and keep on coding.